Turegete kuona vurugu kuria Kakamega ya homecoming ya deputy party leader wa kiama kia Democracy for the Citizens Party DCP Ugweto Cleopas Malala, accompanied by people allied to that party, that is akina Senator for Nyandarua, Senator Medhu, Senator for Kiambu, Senator Karugo Wathang'wa, na guki korona vurugu iria cokorwo cigituthura direct munene muno.
Kakamega mnasemaje?
A few moments later.
Tumeenda penye tumekimbia tukielekea ndani ya huko askari ameruka huko kuanguka huko chini. Tunafika hapa dereva akasema sioni tawaua.
People asking why are Rigathi Gachagua allies being followed all the way to Kakamega? No horoyo ugituthirwa direct munene muno. Watu kabaki wakiulizana, is it that serious that even they are fearing that kiama giki ni corona andu kuria Kakamega? Na after that tukiona Rigathi Gachagua akiyumire na gikoro akiaria horo ucio, and he said that Senator for Nyandarua, Senator Medhu is being targeted.
And now we have confirmation that President William Ruto, CS for Interior Kipchumba Murkomen, and the Deputy Inspector General, Mr. Eliud Langat, all from the Kalenjin community, have put up a squad to deal with leaders who are opposed to this regime. The Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen has sent a message to us through Common Friends that his appointment to the Ministry of Interior is to make sure that William Ruto is re-elected as president and to deal with anybody who can stop that objective. Officers from the National Police Service has confirmed to us that a special squad of 20 police officers from the Nandi sub-ethnic community are the ones behind the abduction of George Koibori, and they are the ones that were deployed in Kakamega to target the Honorable John Methu and Karungo Wathang'wa. Specifically, there were about 300 police officers who were deployed in Kakamega, but 20 police officers from the Nandi sub-ethnic community under the direct command of the Deputy Inspector General, Eliud Langat, and reporting to Kipchumba Murkomen and William Ruto, had been assigned to harm the Senator for Nyandarua and the Senator for Kiambu because of their vocal stand against this regime. Let me say that I want to appeal to the international community to rescue this country. William Ruto has become a very vengeful dictator.
Horo uria ukoretwo ugituthura direct munene muno na ntuonete muthenya wa umuthi the Honorable Oscar Sudi ni ayumiriria na akoro akiandika kuria nende ciake cia Facebook. Wamunyoro allies should now worry that he can eliminate one of them in order to accuse the government of killing his people. His desperation for sympathy is unmatched. This is regarding to rugano ruria rwa mubunge wa Juja George Koibori, the allegations that he did that to himself. Na this didn't sit well with Senator Medhu uria turegete kuona Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ati he is being targeted, kuona ati ni athire kuria na akoro akishare that post, na auga ati this is something that the Directorate of Criminal Investigations DCI must take seriously. When a hyena wants to eat his children, he will accuse them of smelling like a goat. I, John Mohia Medhu, an adult of sound mind, should anything happen to me and send me to Zayuni, investigations must start here. If William Ruto tells you that I took myself to Zayuni, vote him out and take care of my aging mother. Ino ni ndumiriri very shocking. Undu ungikahanikira Senator wa Nyandarua, Senator Medhu, because of that statement by Oscar Sudi ati Rigathi Gachagua tayari gukoro ginya tayari gukoro akinina umwe wa andu a timu yake nigetha a blame thirikari, connecting it with Rigathi Gachagua saying that Senator Medhu is being targeted sounds as a threat to Medhu. Na nikio humility na akoro akiuga uguo na in politics we have been saying that maundu mahanikaga Gutiri undu uhanikaga just like that. Everything that happens in politics ukoragwo we undu mubange nigetha ukinyanirie a certain objective. Koguo I honestly don't know what this statement by Senator Medho is supposed to mean in politics. All I know is that undu ungihanikira Senator Medho thaici ni auga haria tufati gukorwo tukianjia uthuthuria. Na bado nitajiuliza hii swali, is it that serious? Is it that serious in politics? Is the game that dirty? Todo, come to think of it, allegations here mũmbunge wa Juja gukorwo akinyita mĩgwate. If it is true, is it that serious in politics? Is the game that dirty? Agikorwo nĩ thirikari iramuigirira na niyo yekire uguo, bado no ngoria kiuria kiu, is the game of politics that dirty?
A few moments later.
Tumeenda penye tumekimbia tukielekea ndani ya huko askari ameruka huko kuanguka huko chini. Tunafika kwa dereva akasema sioni nitawaua. Yo kitu imepigwa ikapiga kumwaga chini yote. Ndani ya gari. So, ilikuwa nataka tukue mbele. Unaweza tukiza hapa kwa dirisha upate shots zako na dirisha uwe na stable shot au usitoke kimbia sana. Sasa unataka sisi gari kuje mbele. Lakini mimi hata nikiwa wameenda mpaka hapo. Hapa na tena gari moshi pole bana. Pole moshi. Ingilia hivi. Tumeenda penye tumekimbia tukielekea ndani ya huko askari ameruka huko kuanguka huko chini. Tunafika kwa dereva akasema sioni nitawaua. Tungejua mali yuko tungemtrain mali yuko. Lakini alienda this direction.
Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.